Good afternoon, this is your tutor, Mr. Joseph. So today we are going to deal with 2025 Mathematics Paper 1. Okay, so if you are willing to write exam by next year, please don't hesitate to call us so that we'll be able to teach you and you'll be able to pass. The number is 0779 6061 85 0779 6061 85. So let's go straight to the question. So the first question was talking about simplify. Okay, first question was talking about simplify. So I'll do the solution here. I'll do the solutions here. Then the first question, we are going to copy the question, which is 2 open bracket y minus 3, then minus 3 open bracket 2 minus 1. They said simplify. Now this one is in a difficult state. Now they're telling you to make it simple or make it easier. So we're going to have dealing with simplification. You need to know 3 things. Okay, the first one is expansion of removing the brackets. The second one is additions or subtraction, and also the other one is correction of like terms. So now the first one was saying 2 times, to get rid of the bracket, we're going to multiply this 2, the first term, times everything in the bracket, in the first bracket. Then the negative 3 multiplied by everything in the second brackets. So we're going to have 2 times y, we have 2y. 2 times negative 3, we're going to have negative 6. Negative 3 times 2, we're going to have negative 6. Negative times negative is positive. 3 times y is 3y. Then from here, we correct the like terms. So we have 2y plus 3y, then minus 6 minus 6. Then from here we can add 2y plus 3y. We're going to have 5y. Then negative 6 minus 6. We are adding and then we maintain a sign. So it will be 6 plus 6, that's 12. Then the sign is what? Negative. So it will be negative 12. So this becomes the answer. You have simplified the question, which is question 1. Okay, as you know that you have seen that it's not difficult to get a 2 marks. So you just have to know how to go about it. So the second one, we have evaluate, which is square root 16 over 81 raised to the power 3, and then the root is 4. So now this question, it was more like this 16 over 81 raised to the power 3 over 4. Okay, so now they have given you at this stage. So what you're going to know is that they are saying you find a number. If you multiply that number 4 times, should give you 16. Again, you find that number. If you multiply it 4 times, should give you 81. So now what is that number? So we're going to say, let's try 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is what? 16. That means the number that we can multiply 4 times to give us 16 is what? 2. So we're going to have 2 here. Then let's see 81. The number that we can multiply to give us 81. Multiply it 4 times. Let's check 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3, that's 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3 is what? 81. That means 3 is the number that we can multiply, or that we can use to multiply 4 times to get 81. So we've got 3. And then we have a power which is 3. This power 3, it will affect everything in the brackets. So it will be 2 times 3, 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 3 raised to the power 3. So here we're going to have 2 raised to the power 3, the same as 2 times 2 times 2, which will give us 8. So here we're going to have 8. Then 3 raised to the power 3 is the same as 3 times 3 times 3, which will give you 27. So here we're going to have 27. And then that's the final answer. Then let's look at question 3. Let us look at question 3. Let us look at question 3. So we are having question 3, factorize completely. So we have 2ab minus 3b plus 10 minus 15. Okay? So 10 here is 10a minus 15. So now the first thing is to check the one that is common. We know that there's 2ab, this side is 10a. So that means 2 can go into 2 and also it can go into 10. So we can group these guys together. So we have 2ab plus 10a. Then this 3, it will be grouped with 15. So negative 3b minus 15. Now here we can work out. Now we need 2 brackets. We need 2 brackets. So now we have the one that is common, 2ab plus 10a. The one that is common here is 2a, because 2a, 2 can go into 2 and also it can go into 10. A is here, also a there's a that side. So 2a into 2ab, you're going to remain with b, plus 2a into 10a. 2 into 10 is 5, a into a is 1. So here you're going to remain with 5. Then if you check this one, negative 3b minus 15, meaning negative 3 is common. So you're going to have negative 3 here. So negative 3 into negative 3, you're going to remain with b. The negative into negative is what? Positive. 3 into 15 is 5. So always check what is inside the bracket. If they are the same, that means you are correct. Now, apart from this, you're going to get the one that is outside the bracket. So we're going to have 2a minus 3. Then you pick one of these, either the first bracket or the second bracket. But me, I've liked the second bracket. So I'm going to have b plus 5. And this becomes the answer to the question factorize. Okay? So I would like you to attempt solve. This is an equation, so you're supposed to find the value of x there. So attempt this one, and you can submit your answer in comment section. So please don't forget to like our page, and don't forget to call us so that we can help you to overcome fear in mathematics, and also in those subjects that you feel like you are not comfortable. If you have got someone who is writing next year under GCE, if you have got someone who's writing this year under internal, please give that person our number so that they can call us or WhatsApp us. So thank you so much.